Hello friends, in today's video, we are going to compare Oppo Reno 8 5G versus OnePlus Nord 2T 5G with full specifications like display, design, performance, Antutu benchmarks, and price, and are going to know which is the best smartphone for you. So friends, please watch the entire video and let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Let's start with a display comparison. In a comparison of screen size, Oppo Reno 8 has a 6.4 inches screen, while the OnePlus Nord 2T has a 6.43 inches screen. If you look at the display type, both these phones comes with an Amoled display. In the resolution, both these phones comes with a Full HD Plus resolution. Oppo Reno 8 has a 411 pixels density, while the OnePlus Nord 2T has a 409 pixels. In the aspect ratio, both these phones are equally comes with a 20:9 ratio. In a comparison of screen-to-body ratio, Oppo Reno 8 has 83.9% and OnePlus Nord 2T has 85.7%. In a refresh rate comparison, Oppo Reno 8 supports up to 90 Hz higher refresh rate, and the OnePlus Nord 2T also supports up to 90 Hz higher refresh rate. In a display protection, both these phones comes with a Gorilla Glass 5 protection. Friends, let's make a design comparison between these two phones. Looking at these two phones' physical height, Oppo Reno 8 has 160 mm, while the OnePlus Nord 2T has 159.1 mm. Oppo Reno 8 has 73.4 mm in the width, while the OnePlus Nord 2T has 73.2 mm width. Oppo Reno 8 has 7.67 mm in the thickness, while the OnePlus Nord 2T has 8.2 mm thickness. Looking at these two phones' weight, Oppo Reno 8 has 179 grams, while the OnePlus Nord 2T has 190 grams. If you look at the colors of these two phones, Oppo Reno 8 comes with two different colors, and the OnePlus Nord 2T also comes with two different colors. Friends, now let us compare about the camera and its features. Oppo Reno 8 has a triple camera setup, including a 50 megapixels primary lens, an 8 megapixels ultra-wide camera, and a 2 megapixels macro camera. OnePlus Nord 2T has a triple camera setup, including a 50 megapixels primary lens with OIS support, an 8 megapixels ultra-wide camera, and a 2 megapixels mono camera. If you look at the video resolution of these phones, Oppo Reno 8 supports up to 4K resolution at 30 fps, and the OnePlus Nord 2T also supports up to 4K resolution at 30 fps. In a comparison of front camera, Oppo Reno 8 comes with a 32 megapixel selfie camera, with a Full HD video resolution at 30 fps, and the OnePlus Nord 2T also comes with a 32 megapixel selfie camera, with a Full HD video resolution at 30 fps. Now let's compare the hardware between these two phones. Looking at the processor of both phones, Oppo Reno 8 is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 1300 chipset, and the OnePlus Nord 2T also powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 1300 chipset. In a CPU comparison, Oppo Reno 8 supports up to octa-core 3.0 GHz clock speed, and the OnePlus Nord 2T also supports up to octa-core 3.0 GHz clock speed. In the GPU comparison, Oppo Reno 8 comes with a Mali G77 GPU, and the OnePlus Nord 2T also comes with a Mali G77 GPU. Let's compare the operating system. Oppo Reno 8 comes with a ColorOS based Android 12 operating system, while OnePlus Nord 2T comes with an Oxygen OS based Android 12 operating system. Friends, let's see the storage options in these two phones. Oppo Reno 8 comes in a single variant, 8GB RAM with 128GB storage, while the OnePlus Nord 2T comes with two variants, 8GB RAM with 128GB storage, and 12GB RAM with 256GB storage. Both these phones does not comes with the memory card slot. Friends, let's check out the battery between these two phones. The battery capacity in Oppo Reno 8 is 4500 mAh, and in the OnePlus Nord 2T also has 4500 mAh. Oppo Reno 8 supports 80 watts fast charge, while the OnePlus Nord 2T also supports 80 watts fast charge. Now let's compare the rest of the connectivity and features in these phones. Both these phones comes with an USB Type-C port. Both these phones doesn't have a 3.5mm audio jack. Both these phones comes with their NFC support. The IR blaster is not even available on these two phones. Both these phones supports 5G network. Both these phones comes with an under-display fingerprint sensor. Oppo Reno 8 has a Bluetooth 5.3 version, while the OnePlus Nord 2T has a Bluetooth 5.2 version. Friends, let's take a look on the benchmark score of these two phones. In an Antutu benchmark score comparison, Oppo Reno 8 has scored 619,610, while OnePlus Nord 2T has scored 608,879. Now let's compare price. If you look at the Oppo Reno 8, the 8GB 128GB variant is priced at 29,999 rupees. OnePlus Nord 2T, the 8GB 128GB variant is priced at 28,999 rupees, and 12GB 256GB variant is priced at 33,999 rupees. Friends, please like this video and subscribe my channel for more smartphone comparison videos.